Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Play Need for Speed Payback on PC with the comfort of your PlayStation 4 controller. Many PC gamers prefer the familiar feel and precise control of a PS4 gamepad, especially for racing titles. Using your favorite controller can significantly enhance your gameplay experience, offering more precision in turns and a natural feel. This comprehensive guide will show you exactly how to set it up seamlessly for the year 2025, making your races smoother and more immersive. You'll be drifting like a pro in no time. You'll need the free DS4 Windows application to make your PlayStation 4 controller work on PC. This essential tool acts as a bridge, translating your controller's unique input into signals your computer understands. It effectively tricks your PC into thinking your PS4 gamepad is actually an Xbox 360 controller, which has native support across most PC games, including Need for Speed Payback. This clever emulation ensures smooth compatibility and a frustration-free gaming experience, allowing you to focus purely on the race. To begin, download the latest version of DS4 Windows directly from its official GitHub page. This ensures you get the most stable and up-to-date software available. Once downloaded, simply extract the compressed zip file to a folder you'll easily remember, perhaps in your Documents or a dedicated Games folder. Then, run the DS4 Windows executable file. It will clearly guide you through the initial driver installation process, usually involving just 1 or 2 quick clicks to set up your system for the controller. Connecting your PlayStation 4 controller is simple, whether you prefer a wired or wireless setup. For a reliable wired connection, just plug a standard micro USB cable into your controller and then directly into an available USB port on your PC. If you prefer the freedom of wireless, ensure your PC has Bluetooth enabled. Then, hold down both the Share and PS buttons on your controller simultaneously until its light bar begins to flash rapidly. Now, find and pair the wireless controller through your computer's Bluetooth settings, and you are almost ready to race. With DS4 Windows running and your controller connected, simply launch Need for Speed Payback. Your PlayStation 4 controller should now be recognized automatically, allowing you to navigate menus and start racing immediately. If you wish, head into the game's control options to fine-tune button mappings or adjust sensitivity to your personal preference for the ultimate racing experience. Should you encounter any issues, try restarting DS4 Windows, or even your entire PC. Also, ensure no other conflicting software, like Steam's Big Picture Mode controller settings, is running simultaneously for best performance. Enjoy the ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.